To add a full text or secondary documents to your publication, you first need to locate it from your researcher profile. There are two main ways to access your researcher profile. The first is through the login menu. To do this, click on the login menu at the top right of the home page, then select My Account and Profile. You will be redirected to a page titled User Account. Click on View to access the full view of your profile. The second method is through the search function. Click on People. In the search field that appears, enter your name, then click Search. Once the search is complete, your profile will appear in the results. Click on your name to access your researcher profile. Once you are on your researcher profile, you will find the records you have created, as well as those you are linked to under the Publications section. Identify the publication you want, then click on its title. You will be redirected to the Publications Detail page. Click on the three dots icon, then on Edit. You are now in the publication entry form. You can add a full text or secondary documents by dragging and dropping your file onto the page. Alternatively, you can click Browse, then select the desired file from your library. Once the file is uploaded, you can edit its metadata by clicking on the corresponding icon. You can modify the file name, the manuscript version, the license, and the document's access settings. If you select embargo as the access right, you will need to specify the embargo end date, after which your document will become publicly accessible. Once this is done, finalize your entry by approving the license, then clicking on Save or Save and Quit to record your entry, or on Publish to proceed directly with the publication.